So today we're gonna play the magic show and learn a few tricks of magic through the classical magic show. Let's see what's inside. This is the instruction book. These are the magic cards. These are some more magic cards with numbers inside. And this is a calculation wonder. And this is the magical cone. The whirling compass. And these are the dice. And this is a rope. This is the magic wand. These are the 3 tumblers. We can call them cups. In this packet, we have 4 balls, 2 coins, and 3 rabbits. And these are smaller cups. And this is the magic bat. So these are the props that we're gonna use to learn the magic tricks. Now we will learn 81 magic tricks using these props. Alright, so I'm gonna choose one prop to do the magic. Alright, I pick up the magic wand. And we're gonna do the rubber wand magic. Alright, I have another magician here who's gonna show us how to do the magic trick. So the wand is stiff and firm because it's not bending. But in the magic, it's gonna appear like the wand is bending. We move the pencil using the fingers like this. As the pencil moves, you can see that it seems like it's bending, as if it was made of rubber. You see? The pencil feels like a rubber. It looks flexible, and also from here, it seems like it's moving. It's bending like a rubber. So the scientific reason for that is that when a rigid object is moved in certain motions, then it seems like an illusion to the observer that the object has lost its rigidity and it becomes flexible. You see? It is just an illusion that appears to the viewer in a particular movement like this. Look for yourself. It appears like it's made up of rubber. Alright then, we're done with the rubber wand magic! Yay! Abracadabra! See you later! Hello friends! We're gonna paint a fish today. Projector painting. High-tech learning 3 lantern slides, 21 patterns, 12 color pen. Let's see what's inside. These are the pen. This is the textbook. These are the slides. Let's get started now. This is the Projector Painting Art textbook. These slides have different patterns. Let's keep them aside too. This is the Projector Painting Art textbook. It has sheets inside. Let's keep it aside too. Turn on the light. And keep the art textbook under it so that the image is clear in the light. Let's start drawing the outline first. And the lines inside. All the way around. The mouth. And then joining it here for the fin. The scales of the fin. The eye. Here's the fish. Now let's try coloring it. Let's take some color pens out. Alright, now take the blue color pen and start filling the color here. Nice. From the edges, make sure the color doesn't get smudged. Color at the edge first and then you can fill in. Gotta be careful. Box too. And finally this one. Now the tail. Nice straight strokes. That gives it a good texture. Fill in the gaps, if any. It's always good to start coloring from the edge and then fill it in. Let's fill it here too. Fill the color all over, like this. Now take the green color and fill up here. Be careful around the eyes. Don't let the color smudge over. Towards the edges first, and then you can fill up the rest of the part like this. around the edge and then fill the color. On the other side too. Easy on the edges. Fill in the color. It's always better to fill the color on the edges first. And then you can fill it up inside like this. Fill up if there are any gaps. And the eyeball with the color pink. Yay! Our fish is ready!